Hello friends, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So if you want to run your video files or audio files, that is, if you want to watch a movie or play a song, then you can use VLC Media Player, which is one of the most popular media players worldwide. So to install VLC Media Player, you first need to download it. Remember, it is a free and open source software. That means it is freely available. To install it, go to Google, type VLC Media Player. On typing, now you can see the official website of VLC Media Player is visible. Here on Wikipedia you can see the details that it is available on multiple platforms. With that, it launched in 2001 and written in following languages. The VLC Media Player is free and open source and is available on Windows, Android, Linux, iOS and many other OSs. To download it, always download from the official website even if it is an open source. So click on this official website. Now we have reached the downloads page for VLC Media Player, that is Video LAN. So here you can see the download option is visible. Different versions for VLC is visible for Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, Windows and even Windows Phone. So right now we are having 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. So I'll click on it. Right now you can see the download has begun. If you want to check for 32-bit or 64-bit OS, that is your OS is right now 32-bit or 64-bit. For that, go to Start, type System, click on System Information here. Now the entire information of a system is visible. Under section System Type, x64 is written. x64 means 64-bit OS. Now you can see we have successfully downloaded VLC Media Player for 64-bit OS. Here you can see VLC 3.0.8-Win64, that is 64-bit OS. Double click on it to install. Installer language. Here we'll be selecting English. After selecting English, click on OK. Now click on Next to continue. The license terms are visible. Review it, and after reviewing, click on Next. Here the default is visible. It will also create a start menu shortcut as well as a desktop shortcut. And other options are visible with the file type associations and plugins. Click on Next and move further. Here the link is visible wherein the VLC will get installed under program files. If you want to change it, go to browse and change it. I'll keep it the default, so click on install. Now the installation has begun. Now you can see the VLC Media Player has been installed on your computer. The default is run VLC Media Player right now. You can uncheck it or keep the same. After clicking finish, the VLC Media Player will run since the option is by default selected. I'll select it again, click on finish. Click on continue. So VLC Media Player is visible now. It would be under desktop shortcut also. So I'll close it and go to desktop. Here you can see the desktop shortcut is also visible. Path is also visible where we installed VLC Media Player. So in this video we saw what is the purpose of VLC Media Player, why it is popular. It is popular because it is widely used, and the major reason is it is freely and openly available through open source, and it is a cross-platform software that is available on other operating systems including Windows, Linux, Mac, Windows Phone, iOS. We also saw how we can download from the official website and install it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more such videos and videos on programming, kindly subscribe to Amit Thinks YouTube channel.